What's up, beautiful people? I'm back with this week's hair video, and this time it's a bit on the edge of my comfort zone. But I wanted to challenge myself to be more creative, and I literally felt like I stepped back in time and created an alter ego with this look. So keep watching if you're feeling this retro vibe. I started out with just 2 cornrow braids that I did last night on wet hair, and I decided to crochet some plaits in to add some spunk and dimension to this look. I knew I wanted a retro 70s to 80s look, and what's funny is that there are actually a couple of retro looking styles hidden within this look that you could play with. So once I had the braids in, which I braided myself using my braiding rack, it was time to start installing the clip-ins. These are amazing to use if you're going for a classic feminine look. This could already be a style if you wanted to slick your edges down and rock it as this. But I'm going for a mullet look, and boy do I have my work cut out for me. These clip-ins are a couple years old, and I can't tell you what I was thinking when I first installed them and tried to cut them, but I have hope. I can still make these into something. So what you want to do is just add your layers and cut as you go, shaping the style to your liking. There's no rule book to this. It's really about finding out how you like to frame your face and playing with it. And I do mean that. Just play. You really have to let go and just have a little fun. When I had the shape that I wanted, I decided to add some beads to the braids to jazz up the final look a bit. And I gotta say, I'm really not mad at the outcome. Yes, it's way different from anything that I normally do, and I was so nervous about cutting these clips. I still think the front could use more clipping and shaping, but overall, I'm happy with the concept it's created. What do you think? Would you try something like this maybe for an 80s party? Let me know, and also share some creative styling suggestions if you have any. Also, like and subscribe for weekly hair inspiration. Later, babes!